My name is Coach Tana. We're going over 2019 Calc problem number 3. So this problem is a chart problem, and so for chart problems, we were told that you're looking to find area under the graph with geometric shapes, and also finding limits from the graph instead of just from equations. So for number A, or letter A, excuse me, first of all, first, before I do anything, I noticed that I'm going to need to find some areas because we need the integrals. So I find the area under the curve in each section. So here the area is 0.5, here it's negative 0.75, here it's 2.25, and here it's 9 minus 9 pi over 4. So to start with, I set the integral from negative 6 to 5 f of x dx equals, and then I separate it into negative 6 to negative 2 and negative 2 to 5. So because I'm solving for negative 6 to negative 2, and I can find negative 2 to 5 because of the graph. So then, and also I'm given that it's continuous. So then I replace this with 7 because we're told in the problem that that's equal to 7. And then I leave negative 6, negative 2, f of x equals dx. And then now I'm adding together I'm finding the integral by adding together all the areas under the curves. And so then I simplify, so negative integral from negative 6 to negative 2 f of x dx equals 4 minus 9 pi over 4. And then I just simplify further by moving the negative over. So I solve by getting that integral from negative 6 to negative 2 f of x dx equals 9 pi over 4 minus 4. In this problem, I did use the tips because I had to find the area under curve graphically to plug in for integrals. For the next problem, it's asking the function g is given by g of x equals integral from negative 2 to x ft dt. And so then I need to find the absolute maximum value of g on the integral negative 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. So based on what I'm told, I know that g prime of x equals f of x because of the fundamental theorem of integral calculus. And so then because I know this, I know that when g prime of x equals 0, or when f of x equals 0, x equals negative 1, x equals 1/2, or x equals 5. And so then those are my critical points, and then I also have my endpoints of negative 2 and 5. So in total, that gives me negative 2, negative 1, 1/2, and 5 that I have to test. So at x equals negative 2, g prime of x equals 0, negative 1, 0.5, 1/2, negative 0.25, and at 5, it's 11 minus 9 pi over 4. Again, I'm getting all this from the areas that I found earlier. And so then obviously I can tell that 11 minus 9 pi over 4 is the greatest out of all these. So therefore, on the integral from negative 2 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5, the maximum value is g prime of 5, equals 11 minus 9 pi over 4. And again, I did use the tips here because I needed to find out, the area under a curve.